In this video, I will show you how to put YouTube videos on repeat. So I'll be showing you how to loop a YouTube video so it automatically plays over and over without you having to restart it manually. Whether you want to listen to your favourite song repeatedly, replay a tutorial, watch a video continuously, or just simply keep a YouTube video playing on repeat, this guide will show you exactly how to enable the loop feature. If this video helped you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more YouTube tips, tricks, and easy tech tutorials. So here we are, as you can see on YouTube. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, find the video that you want to start to loop or repeat. What I'm going to do is actually come across to my channel and just select and play one of my videos. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this video down here. And to enable the loop feature or make the video repeat, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is right click onto the video itself. As you can see, we're going to get this menu come up, and from here you can see there's an option to loop at the top. So if we give that a click, that's going to enable the loop feature. And you'll now see when we get to the end of this video, so if I skip to the end, it's just going to go ahead and automatically loop, repeat, and start playing again, as you can see. If you want to turn off the loop feature or stop the video from repeating, all you need to do again is just right click. You can see we've got a tick next to loop, so just give it a click again and that's going to stop it from repeating. So that's how to repeat a YouTube video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.